Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to clear the cache for a specific website in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once it launches, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is your main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options for managing your browser. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's full settings interface where you can customize everything from your homepage to privacy controls. The settings page gives you complete control over how Chrome operates and stores your browsing data. Now, once you're in the settings page, look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with different categories. Click on Privacy and Security. This section is crucial because it contains all the tools you need to manage your browsing data, cookies, and site permissions. It's where Chrome lets you control what information websites can store and access. Within the Privacy and Security section, scroll down until you find Site Settings and click on it. This area allows you to manage permissions and data for individual websites, giving you granular control over which sites can store information on your browser. It's particularly useful when you want to manage specific websites without affecting your entire browsing history. Next, you'll need to find and click on View Permissions and Data Stored Across Sites. This option shows you a comprehensive list of all websites that have stored data in your browser, including cache, cookies, and other site information. It's essentially a detailed overview of your digital footprint across the web. Once that page loads, you'll notice a filter field at the top of the screen. This search box is designed to help you quickly locate specific websites without having to scroll through the entire list. Click on the filter field and input the URL of the website whose cache you want to clear. For example, you could type facebook.com or youtube.com depending on which site you're targeting. After you enter the website URL, Chrome will instantly filter the results and display only that specific website. Once it appears in the list, you'll see a trash can icon beside it. This icon represents the delete function. Go ahead and click on the trash can icon to initiate the cache clearing process for that particular website. A confirmation message will now appear on your screen asking you to verify that you want to delete all the stored data for this website. This is Chrome's way of making sure you don't accidentally remove important information. Simply click Delete to confirm your action, and Chrome will immediately clear all cached data, cookies, and stored information for that specific website, and that's it. You've successfully cleared the cache for a specific website in Chrome without affecting any of your other browsing data. This method is perfect when you're experiencing issues with just one website or want to start fresh with a particular site while keeping everything else intact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.